Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a video on installing a trailer brake controller on my 2023 Ram Classic. So I have the Reese tow power. This is the A507111. And I have this from Amazon. For some reason it's hard to find the harness from Reese, so these have good reviews. Here's some part numbers for you. Now, first step, this is for the people that don't want to pay the dealer prices, because in Canada, you're looking at, I priced it, it's like $1,100 installed for the OEM, and this is like $103. So, go ahead under your dash, there's your gas pedals. I did this the other day, but I couldn't find the harness by looking up whatsoever. So I felt up above the gas pedal. You're gonna find these. There's this one, and there's this one. They're gonna be all taped up with this shit. Very hard to come off. This is what you need. This is if you do the OEM one. This plugs into the module, and this plugs into the controller. So this will plug into our controller. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how it looks when I get most of it done. Well, as simple as that. Up under the dash here, got it tied in with its bolts, the harness plugged in, tied up. And I'm not going to go through the operation of this. You can use your owner's manual. It's got sync and gain. It's got the manual. And that's all you need to know. And it's ready to work. Doesn't need to be programmed. So thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe for future videos. Thanks.